Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about the cooling system on your vehicle, preventative maintenance for it, and how to protect your radiator, and what if you do end up with a radiator leak. So let's jump right into this. We're talking about cooling systems. Obviously, flushing out the coolant in your cooling system and cleaning it regularly is important. If you have regular ethylene glycol coolant, which is green coolant, we recommend every 2 years or 24,000 miles. If you have extended life coolant, we recommend 3 years or 50,000 miles for flushing out the coolant. At the same time, it's a great time to replace your thermostat, keep everything in the cooling system in good working order. In doing so, thermostat is a mechanical item. They do wear out. It does regulate the temperature in your cooling system, is extremely important. Inspecting the hoses also can be very important, as hoses do fail internally. But when speaking about the radiator, today's most radiators are aluminum cored and plastic. Often the plastic will fail. We keep a good eye on it. If a radiator starts to leak these days, they're usually not repaired. We actually replace them. That is the best thing for them with a new radiator. In doing so, you will keep your cooling system in great working order and prevent failures while on the road. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.